Now from the I-Team, justice delayed over and over again in the death of a Chandler woman found dismembered in the valley. It's been more than 3 years since investigators first found Amy Leagans' body.
And now a change in the suspect's defense is delaying the case even further. 12 News journalist Erica Stapleton was the only reporter in the courtroom today. She's here with what happens next.
Suspect Timothy Sullivan is officially moving forward with a guilty except insane defense. That means, in part, he's claiming he didn't know what he was doing was wrong at the time of the crime. His answer was clear.
Yes, Your Honor, it's been explained to me and I understand.
Timothy Sullivan pursuing a guilty except insane defense in the murder of his roommate Amy Leagans. Landscapers first found a piece of Amy's body in November 2020. After she disappeared at the end of October. Days later, Sullivan was arrested and charged with her murder and hiding her body around the valley. Records show Sullivan initially confessed to killing Amy after his arrest, but later pled not guilty before changing to his latest defense. Sullivan's defense claims he's been living with a traumatic brain injury for years and didn't know what he was doing when he killed Amy. Prosecutors were skeptical, saying his injury never came up before in Sullivan's extensive criminal history and other prior convictions, including aggravated assault for beating up a different woman. Now, prosecutors can have their own evaluation done. There are very few cases that meet the criteria for guilty except insane, with Superior Court data showing less than 1% of cases last year meeting that designation. If someone is found guilty except insane, they'll be sentenced to Arizona State Hospital for treatment, instead of going to prison. In Sullivan's case, he'll still go to trial, and it will be up to a jury to determine whether or not he's guilty except insane. All of these delays have been painful for Amy's family, who say she would have turned 53 later this week. They say they're relying on patience and faith that this trial will actually move forward next year. Erica Stapleton, 12 News.
All right.